Welcome to the Trivia Training Game, complete with Virtual Instructor Mode. This training arcade game transforms quizzes and assessments into fun, engaging, and competitive experiences, with points, streaks, leaderboards, and timers. Trivia questions can be multiple choice, multi-select, image match, text input, or polls. Trivia also comes with our Virtual Instructor Mode, which makes any online training session much more engaging. Or use Trivia for a virtual happy hour pub quiz to interact with teams on Zoom, Google Hangouts, Webex, or any other video conferencing tool. Whether you're facilitating a small virtual meeting or inviting colleagues from around the globe for a large training initiative, this feature can easily turn your next online event into a more engaging experience, ensuring everyone actively participates and even competes if that's your goal. Virtual Instructor Mode allows your meeting host to control the entire game experience, and the attendees in the audience, wherever they may be, can participate by playing along and answering questions on their own devices. This game will make your online meeting more interactive and, more importantly, keeping teams feeling valued and connected. For more information on Trivia Virtual Instructor Mode, visit thetrainingarcade.com.